just a quick video about the new seatbelt I got for my XD Falcon from Rare Spares, and here's the box. Lovely Australian lady pulling on her seatbelt, and it is Australian made. That was kind of surprising, but it's pretty cool. And there's the fellas. Anyway, there we go. Yeah, and it was about $250 New Zealand, so I don't know, I absolutely needed it, so just had to suck it up. Here's the old one. Where is it? Yeah, you can see that it's all frayed and yeah, not good. I didn't even try to get a warrant of fitness, which I got with the new one. Which for New Zealand we have a thing called warrant of fitness, and on a vehicle older than the year 2000 it lasts for 6 months, and every 6 months you've got to take it into the mechanic and get it refreshed. There you go. So right, the old one where it connects here in between the seats has this strap that flops around and disappears behind your seat and all that, where the new one has sort of a solid wire thing that works pretty well, but that is a difference. And the connector there, there's a bit of a difference in the body of it. I'm guessing that was orange new, and this one's definitely red. But yeah, one interesting thing I found, this floppy business. On this side, you can see there's a sort of it's a piece of polythene pipe. Here's the one that was on the one I replaced, and it's been split down the middle and slipped over the strap. It's about 300mm long, 1 inch or 3/4 inch polythene pipe. I didn't realise it was on it till I went to change it, and works pretty well and stops it, the floppy business, which I'm sure a lot of you guys have that problem. This part of it, there's a bit of a difference there once again. It's a fab. Alright, F-A-8-I-T. Alright, and this top bit, once again, slightly different. Oh, and another difference, this part where it bolts on down here, right behind this moulding, where that sort of bend there, the new one is straight and uses some spaces to achieve the same geometry, and this part here that's fixed on with a sort of riveted on, I guess, blind rivet, on the new one it's couple of bolts holding this plate on, and that's the difference there. It works fine, and it is behind the moulding, so you can see that. So as this bit up here is, that's chrome and that's black. Alright, basically the seatbelt works and looks the part. Apparently you can get the seatbelts refurbished, but I just decided to buy a new one. Just seemed the easier way to do it. It took a few weeks to arrive. I believe they don't have the belts sitting on the shelf, and they make them as the order comes in. Right, okay, thanks. Have a great day.